Hey guys, it's Mickey and I'm officially starting my YouTube channel to document my journey as a makeup artist. And this month of March 2022, I'm dedicating it to practice, to fix up my kit, and just to kick off everything as I start this new chapter of my life. I hope you enjoy. So today I'm with my sister and we're going to be practicing a creative makeup look kind of inspired by Euphoria because I just wanted to practice my skills again doing makeup on other people, and we're going to do a look that looks like this. So here's my sister, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I already know her undertone because we're sisters, and she's olive toned. And aside from that, she's done with her acne era. And then also, her skin is dry. And we discovered that if she doesn't use a moisturizer before makeup, it tends to become patchy. And that's what we're going to be doing today with the base. So here are the base products that I picked out for her. Issey & Co. Serum. And then we're going to be using the Sunjong Moisturizer. And then after that, we're using the Milk Makeup Primer, and then the Sunglow by Fresh Tinted Sunscreen, and then the Says Lady Concealer. This is actually really good. It's so underrated, in the shade 3.5. And then setting her face with the Peri Pera Oil Capture Cooling Powder. And then we're going to be using this makeup palette for hygiene, and then this newly washed sponge. So I use these hair Velcro stickies to get the baby hairs out of her face. So there's a Sunjong moisturizer, get it with a sponge. Then the milk. So her face is looking so moisturized right now after skin prep. Now let's move on to the base. So I'm gonna be using this brush to get it and apply it. So here's the base blended out. It turned out a little dark for her, so we're going to be balancing that out with concealer. So we're gonna get it with a brush for sanitization, and we're using a lighter shade of the same concealer in 01. So now we have balanced out the skin tone, done blending the concealer, and now let's move on to setting her face. Using this fluffy brush, you will take some powder, and then what I like to do is do that so it goes inside so you can get more. Yes, we just finished doing her contour and her nose contour. Okay, we just finished doing her brows. I'm gonna stand here para kita sa lighting. Yes! Okay, so I forgot to moisturize her lips, so we're going to be using Hypergleam in the shade OG using this disposable wand. Yes, moisturized lips. Moving on to the blush, we'll be mixing these three on the upper part of her cheek to make her look more lifted. So first we'll be starting with the shade Void from the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette. So we started mapping out the wing with the eyeshadow. Okay, and now we have connected the top part. So this is how it looks like so far. I cleaned it with concealer. Okay, and then I set the concealer part with a creamy white beige eyeshadow. Using this green loose highlighter from Take Two Cosmetics in the shade Unicorn Tears. We're putting it here on her brow bone and here on the inner corner. Using that same highlighter, we're going to highlight the high points of her face. Look at that shine. I chose a green iridescent color because she's olive toned. Then we used a light pink shimmer shade here and here. So I wanted to add more green to the look, so we're going to be putting the shade Firefly from the same palette on the eyes. Then we added this reflective blue jelly thing from Spotlight Cosmetics in the shade Glitzy White. Then I lined her eyes again with a dark blue eyeshadow. Then of course, we added this little detail. So we just put her mascara. Okay, and we have just put on the falsies. Look down. Yes! Using Magayon for the base of her lips. Magayon from Natural OBMP. Purse. Then we'll be adding Hyper Gleam and Milky Way on top. So we're done, but Bella will just change her clothes and put down her hair, and we'll be back with a final transformation. While waiting for her, these are all of the brushes that I used. Also with the cotton bud to clean up the wing. This is how the palette looks like, and of course I'm gonna wash everything first before the next person next time. So here's a final look. Look down. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It turned out better than expected because it's been a long time since I did makeup on other people. But yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so we're just taking photos right now. We just finished filming her TikTok transition. So yeah, wala lang. Look down again. Yes! So there, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me do this look on my sister. And comment if you want to see more process videos, or if you want to see something else, just let me know and I'll try to do it. So yeah, thank you. See you next time. Stay tuned and bye for now.